It's currently 5:30 in the morning and we're about to go to the airport to go to Utah.
I hope y'all ready to drive, y'all. That's what we should be doing. We ain't ever growing up. If you have a specific request that needs to be made, please do not hesitate to give our guest services a call. Please enjoy this complimentary welcome gift as a token of our gratitude for being a loyal member.
Got the booze thanks to the hookup.
Hey.
This is like a full-blown closet.
Look at the ring light around
In case we brought our wardrobes.
Whoa!
Okay, wow. When we come back, we expect our double kings. Switch them out.
Okay, we're on the way up to the highest, or the last stop on the mountain. It's the Temple of Sinawava. And there already was a flash flood warning today, and he said there's gonna be another one.
This is a dangerous and life-threatening situation. Do not attempt to travel unless you are fleeing an area subject to flood.
Ollie, are you ready for this?
Let's do it.
Okay, so we actually ended up turning back because all of these people, like lines and miles of people, are waiting to get back on the bus because they got stuck in the first storm. I'm already huffing and puffing. I'm not in shape right now. We're walking all the way back to the next stop because the line for the bus was just like hours long.
Taking the road less traveled. Hey guys, the sun came out and it's so much prettier now, but we didn't get to go back and do the 8-hour one because I guess there's still a flash flood warning. So now we're at the overlook, and it's so stinking beautiful. It's ridiculous. It just keeps getting better.
In the night while my body slept in my bed,
Memories forever.
my mind was running through the
Oh,
woods
thanks,
instead. 100 miles an hour in the fast lane, 100 miles an hour in my head.
Basically, it was an amazing day. My contact got some disease inside of it and I couldn't see for like 3 hours and no one believed me. And then we went to this quaint little Mexican joint and the tacos were severely underpriced but surprisingly amazing. That is all.
Good morning. It's day 2 of our Utah, Arizona, Vegas trip. I think we're hiking through water and rivers and
It's gonna be
it's gonna be
exciting.
crazy.
I cannot hold my tongue, you give me much to say. I'm sweating bullets, nervous that you'll push away. And when your eyes catch mine, I know I talk too much, so give me your 2 lips.
We're on the 9-mile trail right now. We just went through like a ton of streams and water. We're trying not to fall with the backpack and all the phones and everything. But so freaking gorgeous out here.
Trekking through the water, having a grand old time, feeling very adventurous.
Lighting up that clove, your confidence is what I want.
First injuries of the trip. Let me show you. So I got this yesterday, and we got this. I got distracted by a cute boy, and I fell. So
We're on our 3rd day of the trip and today we're going to 3 different states. Today we're in Arizona right now at Horseshoe Bend. It's so pretty. We're hiking down to see the lookout. Pat's got the baby boom going. Can't live without that thing. And then we're going to the Valley of Fire and Buckskin, Gulch, and then Vegas tonight.
Hot up, ready to go. I got my eyes on the prize. I'm sick of feeling the lows. I wanna roll with the odds. I took a dipper and
This is literally insane.
That makes me cringy.
Whole world ready for me. I got a vision in mind.
Would you rather fall down this cavern or
No.
skydive and have your parachute not open?
I mean, skydiving is, you're going to be thinking about it a lot longer. Versus this, it's kind of like, 12 seconds probably. So probably this.
Okay, okay. Beth?
What?
Would you rather fall down this cavern or skydive and have your parachute not open?
Skydive and have my parachute not open.
You?
No.
Which one?
No.
Which one?
Because I would pray
She's
for
scared of
angels to
heights.
like come down as I'm falling, and I guess I could do that here too, but I might
still
hit a
feel
rock.
like
There she is, the canyon model herself.
Sugar City, pretty magic, got me good vibes. Thank God I ain't driving traffic. Vision blur, blue bleeding. That's a black eye ladder. It don't matter.
we're still not sure what a gulch is, but if I've ever seen one, it looks like this.
Incredible.
All right, so we're out here and we saw some little slot canyons that are similar to Antelope Canyon. Since that's closed, we found this cheaper, better version. So that was sick. Now we're out here and it has this cool little rock formation. It's kind of like a wave. It's called like a wave or mini wave. Gonna chill out here for a minute and we'll catch y'all later.
Okay, wow. Dang, this is walking out in my hips. I can't feel them, I'm still dreaming. The skull on the table is still like.
Okay, I have one.
Okay,
One. You got
who's doing it? Me? Okay.
Do you have one? 1, 2, 3. Fruit. Okay, I have one.
Okay, ready?
1, 2, 3. Sunflower. Neiman's and sunflower.
Oh, okay, okay. Ready?
1, 2, 3.
Tennis.
I knew you were gonna say it. What the heck?
This is weird.
1, 2, 3.
Motorcycle.
Oh, I was gonna say motocross.
1, 2, 3.
Umbrella.
Umbrella and Harry Styles.
1,
2, 3. Rihanna. Black on black on black. We're in Vegas, baby! Hey! We just took like a 6-hour road trip, but we stopped at Valley Fire, and now we're finally in Vegas. It's like 8 p.m. or 8:30. Also, this hotel.
Oh yeah, we'll give you the whole thing. We'll give you the whole view.
So it's up to you what to do tomorrow.
That's cab.
You want to go take a picture at the Welcome to Vegas sign.
So look at this, y'all. I don't know how to zoom in with this thing, but we'll pretend we do.
Da 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 down 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 da 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 down down down.
Well, we were pooped from trying to walk around and see Vegas, so we decided to come back and just get pizza for the night. Last road trip night. This is sad. I know, it actually is really sad. I don't know.
I mean, none of us fell off the mountain, so
I think
that's a win.
it's a good day.
And now we're starving, so thank you, Jesus, for this food. Bless it. It's our very last day. How's everyone feeling?
Great.
Sad!
I'm personally feeling much better than yesterday, so that's what I mean by great.
Yeah, my legs were like broken walking down the Gulch, and then last night on the Vegas Strip, we're trying to like look at all the hotels. Actually, look around, y'all. There's like actually like really cool hotels. There's like New York over there. And then there's Paris last night, but we were just like, our legs and knees were like broken. We're headed to the Vegas sign to take pictures, and then we're gonna go to 7 Magic Mountains to get some Instagram content.
Say you will love me still. Say you'll say forever for me. Say you will love me still. Say you'll say forever for me.
I'm gonna see you soon, though.
We're on the plane headed home, so sad.
It is sad.
What was your favorite part? Your favorite thing?
Horseshoe Bend for sure. I don't know why.
I like that, but I love the canyon lookout. And oh yeah, the narrows, even though it was crazy. It was.
I will say Horseshoe Bend was my favorite, but also I was the most scared, and I was the most fearful.
Oh yeah, that's true. It was so fun. So glad we came.
Amazing.
Say you will love me still. Say you'll say forever for me. Say you will love me still. Say you'll say forever for me.
Thank you for being an ambassador.
Thank you so much.